G'day champions, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to try out making up some brackets for my Flux board. As I said, I really wanted something that was a little bit different and I really went to town. We jumped on some CAD, 3D printed some brackets out. Attempt 1, not great, too close to the board. As every time you turn the board, rotating around, the board was actually hitting the back of the Shredlight. No good. So we went on to another attempt and then I wasn't sure about that, so I went and did another attempt. So have a look at the time lapse of me fitting number 2 and number 3, and I'll give you a bit of a chit chat at the end. As you can see, we may have to do something with that, and we may have to do some modifications to this little joint in here. This little area right here is just too close. So that's it, champions. What do you think? Number 2 or number 3? Inboard or right on the inside of the wheels? Hey, I know what I like. I like the inside of the wheels. Nice and tucked out of the way. Don't look like they're going to stab anybody if you run into somebody's ankle. If you don't have the Shredlights on, you probably take somebody out. But hey, I like the inside ones. The wheels cut a little bit of the lighting out, but potentially with the SL-300s, they actually give a huge amount of splay of light. So I'm not really fussed about that, and I reckon they look pretty good. Anyway, remember, stay upright, keep smiling. Craig Taylor, out.